YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. And this is a pre-recorded video, so at the time of me recording this, we just hit 800 subscribers, man. Thank you so much to all of you that have joined the channel. Just so you guys know how I've been recording my videos as of late. For like the last 3 weeks and the next 5, work is really busy. This is the most busy time of the year, obviously, for what I do. So I can't get videos out, necessarily record videos every single day, but what I have realized is that I have a lot of time on Friday morning, so I go through and record a bunch of videos that I want to get out to you guys as soon as possible, and this is one of those things. So I am recording this video on October 9th. But before we get into the video, man, if you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As I said, we just hit 800 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Long-term goal by the end of the year is to hit 1,000, man. I know we could do it, so make sure you go ahead and do that. Also, make sure if you want to support the channel that you go ahead and hit that like button, man. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring the video to more people, which could potentially bring more people to the anonymous Sneakerhead family. And then last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. So as you guys can see, man, I have a quick little top 5 for you guys today, and this is inspired by my latest pickup, or I should say a gift that was given to me from my girlfriend. And that is to go through these shoes that I think are the most comfortable in order from least comfortable to most comfortable. This is my top 5 most comfortable sneakers in my collection. Starting it off at number 5, man, we have the Air Max 90 2020 or the Air Max 3. Now, there is a reason why I said 2020. This year being the 30th anniversary of the Air Max 90, man, they have paid great attention to detail, getting it as close to OG form as possible with the materials of the upper, you know what I'm saying, the materials of the midsole, the airbag size. Everything has been completely retooled and made absolutely beautiful for the year 2020, just aesthetically as well as comfort. Air Max 90s this year, those of you who know what I'm talking about know, have been more comfortable than they have ever been in the past. They have been paying such attention to bringing it back to their original form, whether it's the thickness of the tongue, like I said, the materials, the type of mesh that they're using, the type of synthetics that they're using around the shoe. Just extremely comfortable. Great shoe for all day comfort, and it is extremely, I'm not going to get it, but it's extremely different. You know what I'm saying? I have some Air Max 90s that didn't come out in 2020, before 2020, and they just don't feel the same. I don't know how to explain it other than they don't feel the same. These feel a lot better. Highly recommend you going and getting one of these. Now, when I say one of these, let me be specific in that is, when I say one of these, let me be specific in saying that I do mean to get one that is this type of color. So obviously this is the orange one. They make one that's exactly like this, color blocking the exact same way. I have the Volt one, there's the blue one, pink one, purple one, blah blah blah. You guys know what I'm talking about. They've been making a bunch of these this year. But be careful, not even be careful about something like this, but just know that the materials aren't the same here, right? So we don't get that mesh on the tongue. We get a different type of material on the tongue. We don't get that same synthetic leather on the mudguard on the side. It's all different kinds of materials. So do be a little careful with something like that. These are still extremely comfortable, but just be a little bit more careful if you're going strictly for comfort with a 2020 Air Max 90 to make sure that you get one of these. Coming in at number 4 is another 2020 release, another 2020 pickup, and that is the New Balance 327 in any colorway, obviously. Here we go, guys. This shoe is absolutely crazy. Absolutely love these, man. Love the look of them. First of all, aesthetically they're great, which is why I went ahead to get them originally just off of the looks, but then I put them on foot and they feel absolutely great, absolutely insane. I'm not sure what type of cushioning they have going on in here, but this is a great shoe, once again, for all day comfort. A shoe that you're going to be wearing if you're going to be on your feet all the time. Highly recommend these. And if I'm correct, on this list, these are the cheapest. So this is the least expensive option on this list, retailing for $90, and most colorways are not reselling for much more than that. So highly recommend. I think everybody should own a pair of these. Like I said, one of the least expensive, the single least expensive shoe on this list, and I think this is the best you can do for your money as far as comfort is concerned. Now, coming in at number 3, you know what I'm saying? I just went from the least expensive shoe. This is probably the most, not probably, definitely the most expensive shoe on this list. And that is the Adidas Yeezy V2, Adidas Yeezy 350 V2. But really anything with that boost in it, anything where the boost has room to move around. So they do encapsulate the boost here, but there's gaps between it, so it has enough room to squish when you walk on it. It gives space to squish out here on the outsole, man. So not too much detail to go into these, you know what I'm saying? Every tan Yeezy looks pretty much the same. Get whichever one you can. Get the cheapest available. They're all the same. But comfort-wise, hard to beat it. Extremely comfortable shoe. Has that boost going all the way throughout. Just make sure that you do get the correct size, because the toe box does get a little bit narrow, which could cause some people problems. Coming in at number 2, man, those of you who have been around the channel for a while know that I made this pair on Nike ID last year, and I called these the single most comfortable shoe ever made, right? In my opinion, I was like, yo, these have to be the single most comfortable shoe ever made. And they are still, to me, the second most comfortable shoe ever made, and that is the Nike React Presto right here. As you can see, I customized these and on the back. Got a bunch of wear and tear for me. Probably my most worn sneaker from the time I got these to now, man. Super, super comfortable, man. React, anything with React cushioning is crazy comfortable. It's Nike's answer to Boost, and it lasts longer than Boost. Doesn't bottom out as quick. But, yo, absolutely dope shoe. Super comfortable. Some people may not like it aesthetically too much, but I'm not worried about aesthetics, just strictly off of fit. The only complaint about this shoe is that sometimes your foot may slide around a little bit because you don't have any you have a little bit of a heel counter right here, but as far as the toe box is concerned, there's not much stopping you from sliding and feeling like you're gonna roll over the side of the shoe a lot. So 100% not for any type of workout or any type of performance. None of these shoes are for performance, by the way. These are just all for casual comfort. But definitely, absolutely love these. Still wear these. If I see pairs, you know what I'm saying? If I see pairs at good prices, I'll definitely go ahead and grab me another pair. Like I said, one of the most slept on shoes as far as comfort is concerned. Absolutely love these. And coming in at number 1, this should come as no surprise for those of you who've been around the channel, watched my last couple of videos, man. You know that I did recently get the Nike Air Zoom Type right here, man. Black and white colorway, whatever. A bunch of different colorways. You can Nike ID your pair, whatever. I don't know what else there's to say about these, man. You got the double stack cush line with the plastic plate to propel you forward as you're walking in there. You got your uncaged zoom pads at the toe, like right at your forefoot, right under the ball of your foot. Really important, though, to make sure that you do get the right size in these, because everything needs to hit where it needs to hit. Everything hits perfectly on my foot right here, right where the ball of my foot is, man. Yo, putting these shoes on, so when I got the Prestos, I put these on and I just wanted to walk around and it felt great, and they still feel great. But yo, putting these on, yo, I was like, yo, I just have to walk. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going there. I want to walk. These make me feel like walking. They make me feel bouncy. They make me feel lighter. And yo, these are great. Now, once again, not for performance. If you want to get a performance shoe similar to this, go get the Alpha Fly Next Percent. That's what that shoe is for. This shoe is for everyday comfort. Great walking shoe. Great shoe to walk around with. You don't have too much lateral support in here. Very minimal heel counter. Very minimal keeping you in the toe box. But you don't have that slide around problem because you do have actual functional laces on these, versus like the Yeezy, where honestly, if we're being honest, you could wear those without laces and they'll feel the same, and you could wear these without laces and you'll feel the same. But at least here you have laces that are going to keep you in place, keep you feeling secure, keep you feeling somewhat locked down, man. Super comfortable. I can't even explain. Yo, leave down below in the comments if you have a pair of these. You know what I'm talking about. Down below, listen to the people in the comments that have a pair of these. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know what type of magic Nike put into these things, man, but there's nothing in the world more comfortable than a pair of these right now, man. But that is it for this video, YouTube. Just wanted to give you my top 5 most comfortable sneakers in my collection, man. In case you guys were ever wondering, like, yo, what are your recommendations? What should I get if I'm going to be on my feet a lot? Any of these shoes that I mentioned are definitely great. These retail at $150, by the way. I didn't mention that, but these retail at $150. So just so you know, they are a little bit on the pricey end, but 100% worth it, in my opinion. 110% worth it. But that is it for this video, you guys. Let me know what you think. What are your most comfortable sneakers? Let me know down below in the comments. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you are new here, make sure that you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, join the channel, join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Also, make sure if you made it this far, you were probably entertained, so make sure you go ahead and smash that like button, man. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the videos, which could potentially grow the channel and help us hit our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And then last but not least, make sure that you follow that Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, man. You get a lot of information up there first, polls, questions, etc., etc., etc. That's the best place to contact me. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.